What if, hidden within the depths of the universe, there exists a civilization so advanced, so incomprehensibly evolved, that they wield the power to shape worlds and sculpt life itself? Picture, if you will, beings of unfathomable intelligence, whose technology transcends our wildest dreams, and whose motives lie shrouded in the shadows of the unknown. From the primordial soup of a distant planet, to the bustling streets of modern civilization, whispers persist of an extraterrestrial hand guiding our evolution, a cosmic architect orchestrating the symphony of human existence. Perhaps, we are but pawns in a grand cosmic experiment, the result of genetic tinkering by hands not of this earth. Or maybe, just maybe, we are the progeny of celestial beings who once walked among us, leaving behind traces and seeds of their presence, in the myths and legends that echo through the corridors of time. As we gaze up at the stars, pondering the mysteries of the universe, we cannot help but wonder, are we alone, or are we but one thread woven into the fabric of a civilization, far beyond our comprehension? The answers may lie hidden in the cosmic depths, waiting to be discovered by those brave enough to venture into the unknown. Here are a few speculative explanations. 1. Directed panspermia. This theory suggests that life on Earth, including humans, was intentionally seeded by an extraterrestrial civilization. Proponents argue that the complexity of life on Earth, especially the rapid emergence of intelligent beings like humans, is too improbable to have occurred naturally. Instead, they propose that extraterrestrial beings deliberately spread life to different planets, possibly as a way to ensure the survival of life in the universe. 2. Genetic experimentation. Some theories speculate that humans are the result of genetic experimentation, conducted by advanced extraterrestrial or interdimensional beings. According to this idea, these beings manipulated the genetic material of early hominids, gradually shaping them into modern humans with enhanced cognitive abilities. This could have been done for various reasons, such as curiosity, scientific research, or even as part of a larger cosmic agenda. 3. Hybridization. Another theory suggests that aliens or advanced species may have interbred with early humans, resulting in a hybrid species with enhanced traits. Proponents of this theory point to ancient myths and legends that describe interactions between humans and gods or otherworldly beings. They argue that these stories could be distorted memories of actual encounters with advanced beings, who influenced human evolution through genetic mixing. 4. Simulation hypothesis. This provocative theory proposes that the universe, including human civilization, is a computer-generated simulation, created by a highly advanced civilization. In this scenario, humans are essentially artificial beings inhabiting a virtual reality. While this idea is highly speculative and controversial, it raises thought-provoking questions about the nature of reality and the possibility of engineered existence. These theories are intriguing to contemplate, but currently lack empirical evidence. However, they inspire scientific curiosity and spark imaginative discussions about humanity's place in the cosmos. Can we find out the truth someday? Or remain ignorant of what made this existence, what for, and what lies in the deep unknown? Thanks for watching. Kindly like and share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Cheers!